Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert crypto to cash using RedotPay. Now, first of all, you just have to make sure that you have a RedotPay verified account. If you don't have one, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now, when you are inside RedotPay, simply tap on the option of deposit, then select the option of any of the cryptocurrencies. I highly recommend you to use either USDT or USDC, as this way it will be very easy for you to basically convert them into cash. So you just have to simply deposit the cryptocurrency inside your RedotPay wallet using any of these options over here. If you don't know how you can deposit the cryptocurrencies, I have created a dedicated video on this topic, so you can just simply go ahead and check that out first. Now, once you have some money available inside your RedotPay wallet, you just have to tap on the option of cards, and over here simply select the physical card. Make sure that your physical card is activated. Then you just have to tap on the settings icon in the bottom of it. Afterwards, you just have to go to the security settings, and over here you will be shown the option of ATM withdrawals. So you just have to make sure that the ATM withdrawals option is enabled before visiting to any of the ATMs. Now, once this is done, you just have to go to an ATM that accepts your RedotPay card's payment network. Insert your card, enter your PIN, then choose the cash withdrawal and enter the amount that you want to withdraw. There is no need to manually convert your crypto to fiat before withdrawing. RedotPay automatically going to convert your available crypto into the local currency at the time of the ATM transaction. Now, after the withdrawal is completed, you can open your RedotPay app in order to review the transaction and your remaining balance. Just keep in mind that the ATM operators and the RedotPay may charge the withdrawal fees, so you need to check the fee details before making any of the large withdrawals. So this way you will be able to convert your crypto into cash using RedotPay. If this video helped you out, if you are able to understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.